Primary ecological succession in soil formation. Ecological succession is change in an ecosystem through time. Primary ecological succession happens when the starting point of the ecosystem wannabe is bare rock. Primary ecological succession is the process that includes organisms that play a huge role in making soil from the top down, together with weathering that plays a huge role in creating soil from the bottom up, and time. The result is a complete soil. Primary ecological succession explains how this bare rock, resulting from cooling, crystallizing lava, turns into this: a landscape with plants supported by soil. Remember that bare rock, the starting point in primary ecological succession, is not alone. It's exposed to sun, wind that erodes rock, water that weathers and erodes rock, temperature extremes that can crack rock as through freeze-thaw action, and microbes, including fungi and bacteria. Even bacteria can break down rock. No doubt you've seen a variety of these on rock and/or trees. Lichens, often misspelled and even more often mispronounced, can attach to rock. Lichens are made up of certain types of algae and fungi that live in a symbiotic relationship. That is, they live together in a relationship that benefits them both, or all the species if there are more than two. In this symbiotic relationship, the algae photosynthesize and benefit themselves and the fungus. The fungi are made of tough material. They have a tough skin, so to speak. That keeps the unit safe. And they can draw minerals from air and even the rock to benefit themselves and the algae. One thing they extract from the air is nitrogen. They perform nitrogen fixation, changing atmospheric nitrogen into a form plants can use. Fungi also draw carbon dioxide from the air. Taking CO2, a greenhouse gas, out of the air. Could that be significant? Stay tuned. What else are lichens doing? As they grow, they produce acids that break down rock, forming pits and crevices. That opens up the rock to more weathering. And when lichens finally die and decompose, along with rock bits, they're forming soil. They themselves are becoming the organic material of what will become the O-horizon of the soil. With enough soil, mosses can now grow. They produce more acid. More rock is broken down. The moss dies, decomposes, and forms more soil. The mosses can also catch dirt blowing in the wind, adding to the soil. Grass seeds blowing in the wind can now take root with sufficient soil. The roots can grow in rock cracks, and as they grow, break down more rock. When they die and decompose, more soil is formed. Perhaps enough soil for shrubs to grow. Just how far this process will go and what types and sizes of plants the area will support depends in large part on the climate. So there you have it, primary ecological succession, making soil-based ecosystems possible where there was once bare rock.